Hey everybody, it's Joshua Campbell, your knowledge broker. With the summer quickly coming to an end, this is the perfect time to set up your fall renovation goals. Here are 4 ideas that you can quickly accomplish this fall. Number 1, consider replacing your doors and windows. Put a fresh pop of color on that front door and replace the windows to improve your efficiency and your curb appeal of your home. Number 2, give your house a fresh coat. If you've been holding off painting your house, September is the perfect time. Leaves are just starting to fall and the temperature is just right to paint your house. Not only will you enjoy the benefits in the fall, you'll also appreciate it just when the holidays come around the corner. Number 3, inspect your roof. This is something you should do all the time. However, the fall is the perfect time to do it. You want to make sure that you accomplish any roof problems, especially if you have missing shingles or if you potentially have a leak coming this winter. It's best to accomplish these things when the weather is nice. Number 4, add insulation. Did you notice last year that your heating bills were a little bit out of whack or that your home was a little drafty? Adding some insulation to your attic will keep the heat inside and keep the cool inside during the summertime. If you need any help accomplishing these goals, please reach out to me. I have a number of partners that I work with on a daily basis that will be more than happy to help you accomplish these goals. Also, if you're thinking about making a move this fall, please reach out to me and I'll give you a personal consultation about what your home is worth and to build a plan with you. Thank you very much for stopping by our channel. If you have any questions or if you're looking to buy or sell, go to our website and contact us today. Knowledge is power and creates experts in understanding. If you want power, hit thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get weekly videos from me, your knowledge broker.